Alright guys, so stick around, more progress will be on the way, but this is just where we're at with it right now. The body's just sitting on there. Still gotta get the cross member and everything attached, but... But this is how she's looking right now. Still got a lot of work to do, but from here on out it's all body and electrical work. So it's not mounted or anything. It's just sitting up there. But we still got to get the cross member and everything installed, and it's don't even worry about all this junk. This junk's getting cut out, and it's gonna get put behind here, welded in. We're gonna get some plates and stuff and attach it all, and then we're also gonna run some new smaller bar from here on back to do like a rocker type thing. So, and then we'll tie in the roll cage into that piece, and etc, etc, but I'll show you more once we get there. It'll be alright. The spray paint didn't want to come out too well, so I got it all over my hands. I was starting to look like a Smurf. But it's all painted up. We're just waiting for it to dry, and then we'll get it bolted in. And then after we get it bolted in, we're going to try and line the front clip up. So, making good progress. Alright guys, so we got it bolted down. All set, ready to go. The next thing we got to do is work on getting this attached. Right now it's just sitting up there. We just got to weld it and probably put a plate to hold it. And then once that's done, then I have a whole bunch of wiring on the floor I'm going to go through. And I'm not going to really show video of that because it's pretty boring stuff. But once that's all done, we'll hook up the engine and everything and go from there. So this is where we're at. Getting there. Well, they're getting better. My welds. Alright, so I went through the wiring. All of the wiring is done. It's complete. It's ready to go back in. We got the clip mounted to the subframe, whatever you want to call it. Now we're just working on getting this all taken care of. I got to patch this. A little bit of a bad rust spot here, but patch that, and then I got the got these mounts made. These for the front. So I just got to get some nuts and bolts for it. Get some nuts and bolts for it, and then we'll be able to put them in. And once that's done, then the front clip will be all secure and complete. Now, because we raised it up a little bit, the steering arm isn't going to reach, so I got to go get an extension. I think they sell them online, so got to get an extension for that, and then plug up all the wiring, and then that should be it for the front clip. And then after that, it's just everything on back. So just wanted to get this accomplished as much as we could before it got really cold. So it's coming along. Alright, so got the mounts in, the wiring started. Just got to finish up the wiring, get the floors put in, put the seats in, and get the brake lines run through the back and hook up the fuel lines, and pretty much just keep going from there. But as of right now, the front clip is secure. It's all mounted down. Once that's all done, I want to start putting like the body fenders back on, getting those mounted up so I can get a, what do you call, the splash guards or whatever that go underneath the fenders. Get those put in, and just keep chugging along at it. Little stuff here and there, but most of the majority of the hard work is finished, except for the roll cage. That shouldn't be too bad. I just gotta find a way to bend it. So yeah, that's where we're at with the project. We're gonna end the video there. I'm gonna end the video there. So we'll catch you in the next one.